In the next 90 seconds, we're going to show you how easy it is to build an order entry application in DataFlex. Ready? Let's go. First, the wizard guides you through selecting the perfect project. No coding skills required. Just pick what works for you. Next, it's time to build the app structure. The navigation designer makes it effortless to create views and link them. Just drag, drop, and configure. DataFlex Studio takes care of the rest. Customize your views exactly how you want. Adjust properties, refine navigation, and fine-tune everything to fit your needs. Now, let's make the app look good. The built-in visual designer lets you tweak your layout in real time. Move fields around, resize them, and organize everything just the way you want. Everything updates instantly, so you see immediately what's happening. And hey, while DataFlex Studio does a lot of the work for you, you're not stuck in the box. Want to add your own custom tweaks? You can dive into the code and make your adjustments whenever you like. And just like that, your app is ready to go. Curious to see more? Watch Henry break it all down on our YouTube channel.